Hi, this is Resilient Kent Lau. Now, this is a explanation walk you through about my Powerquery, pivot table, and visual reporting masterclass. Right, it's a one-day class. It's designed for executive and managers of all level. Now, what is the cost objective, right? To understand and apply the most unknown feature of this latest Excel data to Power Query to easily extract and manipulate with the data, right, faster, uh, at least 10 times than before, right? Though for those who don't know what is Power Query, this is a very good news for them. And next is after using that, we put into the we apply that clean data into pivot table and pivot chart and creating a visual strategic dashboard, right, for decision making, right. Now what is required is the basic knowledge of Microsoft Excel, and you must able to understand and apply a basic VLOOKUP function. Yeah, so uh, this is for those people who already know VLOOKUP, already know sum, already know count, sum if, count if, yeah, if function, and they are already using charts like columns and line chart. So the course outline is that uh, what is it big data about, right? Is that we what is the step need required to handle big data? Well, first of all, you need to do some sorting, filtering, cleaning, and every single month you do that. Yeah, it's just that it's repeated every single month. Yeah, so I help the financial controller come hash up, right, to reduce money job of consolidating many branch of data, right, from 2 hours into just a click, just a click. Yeah, so you can see how powerful it is Power Query. Yeah, so next is that you make sure there's no blanks, right, no blank space, no alignment before you do the pivot table. This has been practiced many years. It's just they done it for a manual way, right? So when you discover Power Query, you'll never do the things like you do before. Yeah, how your data should be arranged, right? Yeah, this is all explanation. And then we go into creating pivot table for those who are still new, or even you know, right? You might have still some pivot tables still that you want to explore. Yeah. So yeah, I just say the format. We just quickly go through that, and then we go into filtering and sorting. Like, but why do we do a filtering and sorting first, right? Because this is best practice in developing dashboard or visual reporting. Yeah, and then you can do some grouping and ungrouping, the labels, the date field, refreshing the report, and explore the power of get pivot data. Yeah. Next, using the slices and timeline to interact with the pivot table faster and easier, so that your management just click. Okay, I got an idea, and then we should decide that. Okay, great. So formatting pivot chart, same, right? You can do that. Finally, all this turn into the slices. Okay, so when you complete that, you will be able to visualize a pivot report with a pivot chart. This option tends to be easier. At a glance, you already know what is the health of the business, right? Yeah. So, of course, now we talk about Power Query, right? How to use the Power Query in depth, right? How to use the ETL, extract, transfer, load with Power Query, and some of the cool functions such as to use unpivot, yeah, removing some dirty data such as the space in front, such as the space in the back, right? or maybe you want to extract certain parts ID, product ID from a column, right? You can use Power Query very easily. Yeah, explore that. Managing is the same thing, right? So, in short, you will never do cleansing data like 1 month ago before or 1 week ago. Yeah, you will never use that anymore. You will explore more on Power Query. This will be a very good news for those who are work in the shared service industry. Yeah, I just did a training for a shared service industry 2 days ago. Yeah, so I see that they need to the job such as download the data from Oracle system, and then need to do a filter, and then after that need to okay, this is one set of data, then you filter another to do another set of data. And all this is done manually, and and it is really difficult. And then I teach them some of the technique, and they smile. It's really powerful. Yeah. So I myself has invested 2 years to explore and really start understand applying Power Query. And in the past 11 years, I already have over 4,000 Malaysians to master Excel advanced skill. Today, we move to the next level, data automation. Yeah, reporting automation process. Yes, reporting process automation. Up here. Yeah, cool. So I see you in my masterclass, discovering the latest data tools, Power Query, and Pivot Table, and dashboard. Also called visual reporting. See you there. Thank you.